Don't start investing until you watch this video, because if you skip this step, you'll either never start or you'll start the wrong way. And that one mistake can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start investing the right way. From zero knowledge to a simple system that can literally change your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll know the single biggest reason most beginners fail at investing. The simplest investing strategy that actually works. How small monthly investments grow into massive wealth. And the exact first step you need to take today. If you're brand new to investing, this is the video you've been looking for. Most people want to invest, but they feel stuck. They think investing means picking the perfect stock, watching charts all day, risking their money on guesses. And because it feels complicated, they never start. But here's the truth. Real investing isn't exciting. It's simple, boring, and extremely powerful over time. Today, I'm going to show you that simple method. No hype, no gambling. Just a clear system beginners can follow. The biggest mistake beginner investors make is this. They try to pick individual stocks. They look for the next Tesla, the next Apple, the next big winner. But even professional investors with full research teams fail to beat the market most of the time. So if experts can't reliably pick winners, Sully, what chance does a beginner have? This is why most new investors lose money, get discouraged, and quit. We're going to avoid that completely. Instead of betting on one stock, we use ETFs. An ETF is a fund that owns hundreds, sometimes thousands, of companies at once. So instead of guessing which company will win, you simply own the entire market. If some companies fail, others grow. If some industries slow down, others rise. This is called diversification. It lowers risk, it increases stability, and it quietly beats stock picking over time. This is exactly what long-term wealthy investors do. Now let's talk about the real secret, compounding. When you invest, your money grows. Then the growth grows. Then the growth of the growth grows. It starts slow, almost unnoticeable, but over long periods, it becomes extremely powerful. This is why time matters more than starting big. Even small amounts become life-changing with enough time. Let's look at real numbers. If you invest $100 per month into a simple market ETF at an average 8% yearly return, after 10 years, about $18,000. After 20 years, about $59,000. After 30 years, about $149,000. After 40 years, about $365,000. And that's only $100 per month. If you invest $300 per month after 40 years, over $1 million. Not through luck, not through gambling. Just consistency and time. This is how ordinary people quietly build wealth. Here's what most people don't realize. Waiting just 5 or 10 years to start cuts your final wealth dramatically. Time is the most valuable asset in investing. Not money, time. That's why starting today, even small, beats starting later with more. So what's the first step? Not picking stocks, not timing the market. The first step is simply opening an investing account and choosing a broad market ETF. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. No confusion, no jargon, just clear actions. Most people never become investors because they never take the first step. But you're here. You're learning. You're preparing. If you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to open your first investing account and buy your first ETF. And that single decision can change your future forever.